Want to automate vacation and sick day tracking instead of using spreadsheets? If ADP's accrual setup seems complex, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up PTO accrual policies in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An accrual policy automatically calculates how much paid time off an employee earns based on hours worked or time employed. Step 1. Create a time off plan. Go to the Time and Attendance or Benefits section in ADP. Look for Time Off Plans or Accruals. Click to create a new plan. Give it a name like Standard PTO or Sick Leave. Step 2. Define the rules. You'll set the accrual rate, e.g., 0.8333 hours per week for 10 days a year, the waiting period before accruals start, the maximum carryover amount, and when the accrual is granted, e.g., on payday or the first of the month. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: assign the policy after creating it. Creating the policy doesn't automatically apply it to employees. You must then assign the policy to individual employees or groups. You can also set different starting balances for existing employees during this assignment. So, just like that, you can automate time off tracking and calculations. A well-defined accrual policy goes a long way in reducing administrative work and ensuring fairness. Now I'm curious, do you offer a combined PTO bank or separate vacation and sick days? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.